You're about to meet Ben. Ben is another one of Dr. Barbanel's very enthusiastic patients and has some wonderful stories to tell about his experiences over the years with dental implants here at Dr. Barbanel's practice. Ben, welcome. Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Tell us about why you sought out Dr. Barbanel for your treatment.
Well, I've had some problems with my gums. They weren't seem to be being solved. I told my wife we needed to get a second opinion on them, and she looked in the yellow pages and saw Dr. Barbanel's name and all the things that he did. So we made an appointment and went to see him, and he told me that the bad news that I was probably going to lose all of my teeth in my upper jaw. But he says the good news is that he could probably stave that off for quite a while. And which he did. It was years before I started to need implants. But by then I had lost such bone in my jaw, bone loss, because of the infections I had in there, that he wasn't sure if it could be completed because I didn't have enough bone in my jaw. But he did. We went into surgery and he took him. He put in the implants, and I've never had a problem with them ever since. And I don't know how many years it's been now, over 20 years I've had the implants. The only real teeth I have in my upper jaw are my two front incisors.
Wow.
And the rest are all implants. And I had a dental hygienist once asked me about which ones were the implants, because she couldn't tell. I said, I really don't remember. I can't either. They're mine.
So you treat them as though they're the real thing?
Absolutely.
Right?
Absolutely, yeah.
What about lifestyle? Is there any, obviously, hopefully you can eat what you want. You certainly speak with confidence as though there's no issue.
Yeah.
Right.
No, I don't worry about what I eat. In fact, I just lost an old molar. I cracked it. It was an old filling, because I was eating, I don't know if you know, the Mexicans eat chicharrones. It's pig skin, but very hard. And I broke the molar of my implants up above. Didn't even bother them. But my real teeth broke. So if that'll tell you about the quality of the work that was done.
What's been your experience coming to see Dr. Barbanel over the years? I'm always amazed that many of the same people are still here after so many years. What's your experience working with these people?
Quality of service. And they'll tell you the truth. They'll tell you if they can do something or if they can't, and that means a lot. They don't lie to you. There's no saying, well, I'll try to do this. It isn't. They'll just tell you if it can be done. And the people here are just top notch. His assistants.
A common theme in what many of his patients have told us tonight is that they become friends with Dr. Barbanel over the years. Is it your experience?
Oh, yes. In fact, I've went in to work with Ron over at his ranch. I'm an equipment operator, and we had an agreement that if I would go there and run some of his equipment, then he could, help me with my teeth. And that's certainly been, I think I got the better end of the deal. But no, Ron is a good friend. Yeah.
And have you referred him to any of the people in your life?
Oh, absolutely. Whenever I can, anybody has problems, they start saying they're looking for someone, I always give them Ron's name and his phone number, of course. But no, I have no qualms at all about referring Ron, to my patients, my friends, to Ron. Yeah, no, not at all.